Hello everyone, it's John here from Winning Solutions Inc. and today I will be bringing you all another Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough. I will be showing you where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate into an existing database that you're already using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off one of our templates and don't know how, or don't have the time to do so, let us know and we'd be happy to help you getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there are 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. The compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using free access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you will not be able to make any modifications to the forms, reports, modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who don't see any need to make any customizations to the template. The internal use is a version that allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within the organization. The unlimited developer use allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop. And it also allows you to distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, and that means you can't update or customize the database. In our video today, we will be working with a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view or try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase the database template or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. And our sales are final because we give you the source code when you purchase a template, and once we give you that source code, there's really no way you can return it. If you would like to test our demos for multiple days, you're free to do so. You just have to leave the database open so the data you entered will not be wiped. Our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data entered is wiped from the database. And you have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you enter. Upon downloading a demo, you have to unzip the downloaded file. And zipped files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web, so that's why we do that. Unzipping a file is very simple though. All you have to do is extract the file so you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how to do it or don't understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video is in the description of this video, actually. So now let us get into downloading and testing one of our own demos. Alright, we're going to start off by going to our website, microsoftaccessexpert.com. On the top of the website there is a toolbar right up here, and this is all the various ways to contact Winning Solutions Inc. And if you go over to the sidebar on the left and go under Database Templates for Sale, and then click on Database Templates List. Alright, this is a view of all of our templates that we offer. And as you can see, it's broken up into categories. First one is most popular, second is appointment and scheduling, calendars, and so on, all the way down to database tools and miscellaneous templates. Today I will be showing you the Access Public Relations Consultant Appointment Tracking Database template. What you will need to do is download the demonstration that correctly corresponds to the version of Access your computer has. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and open it. Next you will need to extract that file since it is in a zipped folder. So extract all. And now you'll be able to open the database without any issues. So this is just a security notice that pops up, just alerting you that it is coming from the web and it can be potentially harmful for your computer to open, but I can assure you that this database is safe. Alright, so this database is great for keeping track of all of your appointments and all of your clientele in one spot. To start, we'll do add new customer, or add new client. We'll just fill out a name and an email and an address. So I'll do John Smith. Alright, and you can fill out as little information as you want to or as much as you want to. You can also fill out notes, call history, appointment history, or payment history, as well as a picture of the client if you want to do that. But for now, I'll just do save and close. Okay. Next, we're going to search for that client. So we can search by any of these criteria, but I'm just going to do last name. That'll make it pretty easy to find. So Smith search, and there you go. That file that we just created shows up. And what we can do with that is we can export it to Excel if we want to. This will open up Excel and pull that information into a new workbook for you. You can also double click it if you want to re-edit that information or delete it if you need to. I'll just hit save and close. So the search function is pretty good. Real easy to use. Alright, and next we'll make an appointment, and to do that we'll need to go into calendar view. Okay, so this is just the daily view of the calendar. We have a weekly view, bi-weekly view, a month, or month day. Okay, and to make the appointment I'm going to go to daily view. Let's say I want to make it on the 25th of May. So right now it shows the 23rd. So we'll just need to switch days by going on the over arrow, the right arrow. You can do that twice. Okay, and let's make it for noon. Okay, and client, we'll do John Smith, the one we just created. Consultant, we can change any of these if we need to. I'll show you how to do that later. But for now, I'll just do consultant 1. And type, individual, same thing, we can change all those. And location, location 1. Okay, you can also fill out some notes down here. You can change the starting time, end time. Workers, you can add some more contacts if you need to. And payment information, you can add that in there as well. But for now, I'll just do select custom color. And we'll do blue. Alright, so that makes this appointment form blue. And it'll make it on the it'll make it blue on the calendar as well. So we'll do save and close. And there you go, 12 to 12:30. You can also search the calendar just based on a certain consultant. So if you only want consultant 1's appointments to show up on the calendar, you just have to select this and hit consultant 1, and it will show his appointments. If we do consultant 2, that appointment will disappear because there's nothing for consultant 2 right now. Alright, and if you need to pick a certain date next year if you need to, just click the up arrow and you can search through the calendar really quick on there. So it'll be more convenient. Alright, and now let's search the appointment we just created. Alright, and same thing, we can search by certain criteria. I'll just do consultant. You can search by consultant 1 and hit run search. Alright, and it pulls up that appointment we just created. From here, you can double click on this and it will bring it up in the calendar form. Otherwise, you can click on this up here, view an appointment form, and if we double click on it, it'll just bring up the appointment form and we can edit any information that we need to, or delete it. Alright, you can also export the search results to Excel, Outlook Calendar, Outlook Task, do a print detailed version or a print summary version. Here's what the print detail looks like. It's just 2 lines, nothing too complex, and the print summary is just 1 line. So there you go. That's all there is for the search function. Next we'll look at the maintenance lookups, and this is where you can change all that drop down information. For one, let's do consultants. We saw that one earlier. Consultant 1, we can change that to Joe, and we can also add one with the asterisk down here, Sally. And as you can see, you can add as many as you want to, because that asterisk will just keep showing up. So we'll close, and that'll save automatically. To make sure that it did work, we'll go back to calendar view and make a new appointment. And consultant 1 is now Joe, and Sally is also in there as well, so that's good. Alright, back to the main menu. So another thing we can do is calendar setup. We can change the parameters of the calendar if we need to. Starting day, we can change that to whatever we want, and the starting time, also change that, and as well as the calendar colors. Alright, and lastly we'll take a look at the reports. And date start we'll do the 6th, and date end we'll do the 27th, so a 3-week period. From here you can do print invoices, or you can do accounts receivable or a cash ledger. I'll just do print invoices for right now. Alright, and since that appointment that we made earlier was within this time parameter, it was the 25th, yeah. So that appointment did show up on there, that's good, with the invoice amount. There you go. Alright, and that's all there is to this database. I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming needed, you want to buy a template, or need help customizing a template. Contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those, and have a great day.